Good morning, my friends. Today's story was on a sunny day at Keratsini's port, where I was sitting on a bench with my parrot Boomer and his girlfriend. We were eating snacks and playing Minecraft on my tablet. Life was so good. All the time Boomer wanted something, but I couldn't understand. Then he looked at me and said, "Can I have some chips for me and my girl?" "No way!" I said. "These are mine." Boomer looked upset, but before he could say anything else, a big group of hungry seagulls flew down from the sky. They were coming for the chips. Boomer started shouting, "Help! Thieves! Thieves!" I grabbed the chips and ran. The seagulls chased me like crazy. I was trying to get away that I didn't see a happy fisherman walking toward me. I ran right into him. Fish flew everywhere and landed all over the ground. The seagulls saw the fish and luckily forgot about me. I went back to my spot. Boomer looked at me once again and said with a smile, "Now I really deserve some chips." "Of course, Boomer. Take some for you and your girl."